one's not cut yet, look. I don't know why, but those olive wires are always harder to cut. They say they're exact same metal. But, I mean, there's no denying it, they're harder to cut, aren't they? Okay, that's good.
Do you want something left there outside of it?
Yeah, I think there's one more there.
Two.
And one here.
So what did you do for your few days that you spent just mooching around?
Not a good way of telling.
It's just chewing here. But,
Lake Malawi and Nauvoo Game Reserve.
You look well rested now, anyway.
Okay, that should do it now. Oh, one more.
yeah.
There we go. Open up like a clam and then. Okay, this is how the pins come out. Oh, tough one.